When it comes to product sourcing, you want the best tools that streamline your process, save you time, and help you find high quality products to sell. So, Spocket versus SaleHoo, which platform offers a better interface for sourcing products? Let's dive into it, and by the end, you might find that there's a better alternative for you. Stay tuned for an exciting twist at the end. Let's start by talking about Spocket's interface. Spocket's design is clean and visually appealing, with a dashboard that's easy to navigate. They offer direct integrations with major platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, so once you've signed up, the setup process is pretty straightforward. The product discovery feature is well organized, allowing you to filter suppliers by location, product type, and shipping time. However, when it comes to customization and in-depth filtering, some users feel the platform could give more options. The product pages are detailed, but the sheer volume of choices could be overwhelming for newcomers. Next, SaleHoo. While SaleHoo also offers a simple, easy-to-navigate dashboard, it stands out by providing an extensive directory of suppliers. The interface might feel slightly more outdated compared to Spocket, but it has its advantages. The real power of SaleHoo lies in its supplier database, which features a huge variety of suppliers, including dropshippers and wholesalers. The search functions are robust, but some users find the platform a bit cluttered at times. The filtering system is powerful, but not always as intuitive as it could be, which could lead to some confusion. If you're someone who values comprehensive details on suppliers up front, SaleHoo does provide more information, but it can be a bit more time-consuming to sift through. Next thing, let's talk about product sourcing speed. Spocket's product search and filtering system allow you to quickly find products, and with their EU and US-based suppliers, you can get faster shipping times, which is a major plus for dropshippers who want to ensure their customers receive their products quickly. SaleHoo, while providing access to suppliers globally, doesn't have that same kind of focus on fast shipping, which can sometimes lead to longer delivery times, especially if you're sourcing from outside the US or Europe. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Spocket offers a range of subscription options depending on your business needs, and they do offer a free trial, but the pricing structure can be a bit steep for beginners, especially if you're looking for more advanced features. SaleHoo, on the other hand, is a one-time payment for lifetime access to their supplier directory, which could save you money in the long run, but you're essentially paying upfront for access to their database, which can feel like a bigger investment if you're just getting started. Now, the big question, which one has the better interface for product sourcing? Spocket excels in offering a smooth, streamlined user experience, especially for those who want to move quickly and easily between product searches and integrations with their store. However, SaleHoo's sheer database of suppliers gives you a lot more to work with, though it can feel a bit overwhelming and outdated. The choice here really depends on what's more important to you, a fast and easy interface with reliable suppliers or a more extensive database with a steeper learning curve. But here's the twist. After trying both of these platforms myself, I've found a better solution that outshines both Spocket and SaleHoo in terms of the goal we're talking about today, product sourcing. If you want an interface that is just as sleek as Spocket, with even better supplier options, and with a superior experience all around, I highly recommend checking out the alternative I'm using now. It offers a fantastic free trial that's exclusive for my viewers. Just click the first link in the description below, and you'll get the best deal with benefits you won't find anywhere else. While Spocket and SaleHoo are great in their own right, if you're looking for a better interface for sourcing products with fewer limitations, then this is the platform you should be using. Don't miss out on the free trial and see for yourself why it's the best choice for your product sourcing needs.